If you want to watch this recipe in Hindi, then check the link below in description box and also subscribe Mridula's Cookbook Hindi channel. Hello everyone, I'm Mridula and once again welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe that I'm going to share with you all is eggless whole wheat pancakes. It is very healthy breakfast recipe which is quick and easy to make. So to make these pancakes we are going to need 1 cup wheat flour, half cup of curd or yogurt, 1/4 cup semolina, that is rawa or sooji, 1 tablespoon sugar, half teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon melted butter. This is salted butter. If you are using unsalted butter, then you will have to use pinch of salt in this recipe. Half teaspoon vanilla essence or extract, half teaspoon cinnamon powder and 1 cup water. First, in a large mixing bowl, take semolina, add curd to it, give a mix. Cover this and keep it aside for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, semolina has absorbed moisture and this mixture has become little thick. So now to this add vanilla essence, butter, sugar and sieve rest of the dry ingredients in this. That is wheat flour, baking powder, baking soda and cinnamon powder. Mix everything well. Add 1 cup water to make a thick pourable batter. This is what the consistency should look like. Heat a non-stick pan on medium flame. If you like, you can also apply some butter to the pan. Now take some batter and pour it at the center. Let this cook for 2 minutes on medium flame. When you see these tiny bubbles popping on top, it's the right time to turn them and cook on other side for a minute. They are ready. Serve them with good drizzle of honey and serve some fresh fruits along with it. You can see how soft they have turned out. So try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comments below. Do like this video, share it with your friends and family, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will be back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.